What is up, everyone? This is Raphael from SelfMade Profits, and if you're looking for a way to earn some extra income from home, you're looking to earn some passive income, you've come to the right place. Today I will be going over ways that you can make money just by watching videos online. Alright, and before I do that, guys, please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so that way you're notified every time I put out content just like this, just to help you make money from home. Okay, every day I'll actually be bringing out more videos like this, so you definitely want to be notified. Now, as far as these 3 gigs here I have for you today, they will allow you to get paid just by watching videos. Some of them you can do surveys also, and you can do extra stuff, but I will go through them for you step by step, and we're just going to take a look at them. Now, the first one here is called Make Cash, free PayPal cash and gift cards. And with this app here, you can download this for the Android, and also you can download it for the iPhone also. Okay, so when you come on here, you'll see that you can redeem the coins, because you earn coins for watching videos, and you'll be able to redeem them for gift cards. And as you can see, the PayPal signs here, so you can redeem them for PayPal gift cards and earn money just by watching videos. Okay, all right, so here it shows your earning history, and over here it'll just show the dashboard. It'll basically show the videos that you want to watch down here. Okay, so it's pretty simple, guys. Just come into the app, you'll watch the videos, you'll earn the points. Those points, you'll go ahead and redeem them for cash. Okay, you just let the points accumulate, and then you'll be able to redeem them for cash. All right, as you can see, it says here that our users are enjoying extra benefits to earn free PayPal cash with a few clicks. We have given more than $1 million of gift cards already. All right, so they are definitely paying out pretty well with this. They do have a 4.8 review, 4.8 stars basically reviews for their app. So this just basically shows that this is a pretty good app. So they're getting some good reviews here, and they do have 10,000 installs already. So you might as well go in and get on here and start earning some money with Make Cash. Now the second one here is called Watch to Cash. It's a free PayPal cash and gift cards also. So it's basically the same as the Make Cash. They basically same thing. You're watching videos, you're earning points. Those points you use to redeem to go ahead and get paid out cash. Okay, so it's very simple. You also, with this one, you also get paid to refer friends, and you earn coins when they watch videos also. So you earn points for them watching videos, and those points you can go ahead and use to redeem for PayPal cash, which is very, very good too. This one has a 4.6 rating on it. Okay, so the third one, I'll take you to the website here for the third one. Is called iRazoo, and iRazoo is basically just like the other ones. This one that actually has the paid surveys, of course. They have where you can play games also for my gamers. If you want to play games, you can do that also. You can download apps and get paid for that also. Okay, so there's a couple of things you can do on here to earn points. And over here, as you can see, it says watch entertaining videos and earn easy points. iRazoo TV allows you to earn iRazoo points for each video that you watch. Video inventory refreshes daily. Start earning now. So you can, if you want to get started, just click get started here, and you'll be able to get started watching videos and start earning. All right, so the process is simple. Of course, you're watching videos, short films, new advertisements, app trailers, cooking tutorials, movie reviews, and much more. And anything you watch, you earn the points. You select a video from our partners, start watching, and earn iRazoo points instantly. Our inventory refreshes daily with over 50 channels of content. Then you get to choose your rewards. You get paid how you want, when you want. Select from brands like AMC Theaters and Regal Entertainment, or turn those points into cash from PayPal. So you can make some pretty good money with this app here also. Okay, and just as well, you can make good money with the other 2 apps that I showed you earlier. Okay, so guys, I definitely wanted to bring this to you guys. If you did find value in this, please go ahead and leave a like, share the video. Okay, and also please subscribe to the channel. That way we can continue making more of these kind of videos for you and help you make money from home. Okay, with that being said, guys, stay blessed and become self-made today.